Welcome to this exciting tutorial. My name is Robert Farrell. I'm so glad you're here. I'm about to share with you an opportunity to earn affiliate marketing commissions with your chatbot. There's this amazing company called chatbot.AI. Out of the box, completely I think this is disruptive and it's a game changer. I'm going to share with you step by step how to put affiliate marketing products, in this particular case Amazon, inside your ChatFuel chatbot. Now, this is an important thing to be able to do because now you can engage with people, and if they basically interact with your chatbot and go to Amazon, you're going to get paid. Now, something I want to share with you before we go further, you don't have to fill your chatbot with every single product from Amazon. Once you go to the Amazon site with your tracking code, your affiliate marketing Amazon tracking code, anything you buy on the Amazon site, you're going to get credit for. So don't be fooled into thinking you have to basically load up your chatbot with a bunch of stuff. Now, here's what I suggest you do. I have 609 affiliate marketing WordPress websites. Yes, call me insane, call me stupid. It just worked out that way. Did not plan on having 609 websites. It's something that happened in a 2.5 year period. I got on this wild tangent years ago. Anyways, separate story. So no matter what my niche is, whether it's shopping mom blogs, whether it is G-free diet, whether it's how to cook a duck, whether it's how to shop for the best pair of jeans, or politics, I always put coffee, tea, snacks on my affiliate program. Why? Because it's stupid and myopic of me to think that people don't buy coffee, tea, snacks, and water. So no matter what my niche is, I always include coffee, tea, snacks. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do, I'm going to cut through all the stuff here and show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to share with you how it thinks. So the first thing we need to do after you basically set up a free chatbot.ai account is go to create an agent. Now, what is an agent? Well, an agent is the platform for engaging with that particular platform marketing, in this particular case, Amazon. So chatbot.ai has plans to basically do more affiliate marketing, but right now it's specializing with Amazon. Now, I don't need to have you see me types. I'm going to type in information here. So this is for internal use only. Now, here's what I suggest you do. Whenever you're going to name something, don't give it some kind of ambiguous name, something you're not going to know what the heck it was 6 months, 8 months, 2 years from now, especially if it's for client stuff. So give it some kind of logical name that makes sense to you today, tomorrow, next week. So I'm going to pause the video and come right back. Now, one thing you definitely want to pay attention to, you want to put your Amazon tracking code in here, and you want to pick the appropriate country. Okay, in this particular case, I'm United States. And we're going to basically build something for ChatFuel. So that's what this course is about, how to basically engage ChatFuel, chatbot marketing with affiliates from Amazon. So I come down here and I hit create. That's going to take me to my next step. Before you get overwhelmed here and go, what the heck is this about? What does any of this mean? I'm going to break it down one step at a time. So here's what we need to do. We need to train our bot as to what type of products, what category from Amazon that we want to bring it into our ChatFuel chatbot. So here's what we need to do. In my particular case, I'm going to go to the category of groceries. Okay, and for title, I'm searching for the word coffee. Now, of course, if we want to do coffee makers, coffee, whatever it is, we can just separate it with a comma. But in this particular case, I just want to engage people with coffee. Now, you can put a minimum price or maximum price, which is kind of a cool thing. So I want to get the best ranked coffee deals. And I also want to get the #1 review deals. And I set that up criteria. I set that criteria up. I put in coffee, pick my category, and then I hit train. So what that's going to do, that's going to go out to the API. We're going to confirm these changes, and it's going to bring in coffee products from Amazon. It's a very important step. Depending on how busy the API is, you may have to do this a couple of times, but if you're going to do this a couple of times, don't just hit train. Notice it came off of categories, groceries. What we need to do is reselect groceries. Everything else is the same. Make sure you click this number of reviews and hit train again. So usually the second time's the charm. Perfect. And just like that, you'll see that it brought in a list of 75 products. Now, here's the really cool part. Okay, it's automatically going to tie your Amazon associate affiliate link to the products. So inside of your chatbot, it's going to automatically go to the Amazon site with the products that they pick. Now, you can basically go through and edit and remove any product that you want or don't want. And on top of that, you can go in here and change this information. So if this doesn't kind of jive with what you want to portray to your viewers, then go ahead and change that. We're not going to change this. I'm just going to keep this really simple. I want you to walk before you can run. So once that's set up, all I need to do is go to my next page. I click I pick agent settings. That takes me to this page. Now, there's two tabs here. We're pretty much done with this section here. We want to focus on the chat fuel section. Now, you'll notice too, as far as navigation, that what I just did is right here. I could retrain, I can change the settings, and here's my chat fuel integration. I can go back and build more agents, which we'll do in subsequent videos. Now, I want to keep this so simple, it's frightening. I'm going to make this so simple, it really is this simple. So what I like to do is bring in a carousel that's at least 5 products wide. Okay, and the only other thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to put best coffee deals. Great, perfect. That's all I need to do. I come up here and I copy that to the clipboard. Okay, simple, simple, simple. It really I'm doing this real time. It really was that simple. I basically go to my settings, train my bot, come back to Chat Fuel, copy this information, and we're going to paste it right into Chat Fuel. So inside of Chat Fuel, I had a default welcome message that I've deleted and a default answer that I've deleted. In my previous video series, I share with you how to do this. All right, so let's have some real fun here. So the welcome message, we're going to keep it really simple. Now, this is my own personal technique. I like to have the bot look like we're actually working here. So I'm going to go to typing, and I'm going to basically put in a text. Okay, and I'm going to welcome the person. So I'm going to just type this in and I'll come right back. For those of you, I'll just make a simple review here. You bring up the personal salutations by simply hitting Shift key, left bracket, left bracket. That brings that information up. That's how we got that. So we're going to say welcome first, and are you ready for some Amazon deals? Now you can make this as informal or as personable or as casual as you want. That's totally up to you. So I have my type that's going to appear on the top, and then I'm going to add my button here. Okay, so we're going to call this shop now, and we'll have this go to a block called shop now. Now, for those of you that, again, this will refresh this with our chatbot. Right now we're doing chatbot interface. So this is going to take us to a block called Shop Now. So let's basically go to a block called Shop Now. And again, I'm going to put in the typing icon. And from here, here's what we need to do. We need to the information that we just copied from our interface here. When we copy this, we need to paste this, and we're going to paste this inside of, by clicking right here, we can add more plugins, and the plugin we're going to use is a JSON API, and the API we're going to copy and we're going to paste. It's really that simple. Okay, so copy paste. So it's going to basically queue up. It's going to say type. Down here we could basically say, you know, more information. So we're going to basically have a menu of information. So I'm going to come down here to text. It's extremely simple. We'll get more sophisticated as we go along, but I just want you to walk before you can run. So we're going to say main. So let's test our bot. We can just click right here, test the chat bot. We're going to log in as you, and it's going to take us to Messenger. You'll see that it basically launched the chatbot. Now, here's the cool part. So it says, hey, welcome, Robert. Are you ready for some fun deals? Now, I will share with you more in depth, but again, I just want to kind of get a feel for getting you up and running quickly, and it's really this simple. So I've hit Shop Now. Now, when I discovered that you can do this, I was flipping out. I mean, I'm going to be 60 next year. I've been doing software since I was 28, and you know, I don't get too impressed with things, but this is damn impressive that you be able to do this. Okay. So you'll notice that this is totally cool. So if I click right here, it's going to load the bot into a carousel. So now I can go through the carousel one step at a time, and notice that we set that as 5. So you can go 5 across. Okay, so now here's the cool part. If I click right here to go to the product that's going to launch Amazon, and from this point on, you're going to get paid your affiliate commission. Now, again, for those of you that are new to Amazon, understand that you don't have to fill up your chatbot with every single thing on Amazon. Once they go here, it doesn't matter what they buy at this point. They decide to buy a tractor. They decide to buy, mittens or fruit bats or breakfast cereals, whatever they're going to buy at this point, you're going to get paid for it. So I think it's a total game changer to be able to do this inside your chatbot, because this can't be done anyplace else. So let's move forward with another video. Talk to you soon.